Welcome, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're crafting an elevated three-course feast in mere seconds. First, our cheese lava garlic bread cups. Slice bread, spread garlic butter, fill generously with mozzarella and cheddar. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until golden. Watch that cheesy lava. Like this video if you find these steps helpful. Next, the honey butter chicken volcano. Sear seasoned chicken until golden. Now for that irresistible honey butter sauce. Combine butter, honey, soy, and a hint of apple cider vinegar. Toss the chicken to coat perfectly. Plate it high for that volcano effect. Share this with a fellow foodie who loves quick gourmet meals. Finally, our invisible layers glass dessert. Layer clear jelly, fresh fruit, and creamy coconut panna cotta. Chill until firm. A truly elevated feast, ready to impress. Comment below which course you'll try. Subscribe for more incredible culinary tutorials.